Now, I don't spray.
Oh, after all that, no.
Now, you see, it's depending on what kinds of papers. And then, now, the spray, no spray more, spray less.
Yes.
And this one, no spray.
spray.
So, 3 options.
3.
And you just have to experiment to determine which.
Decide which look you want. Oh, that's very pale too.
It's so wet already.
The brush is wet.
Yeah.
And soften that bottom edge. Yes. And soften the bottom edge. Yep. So it's going to be very subtle, way back there.
So, you have another option, okay?
And there's no need to brush it out now.
The spray did it.
Oh, if you want me to, sure, I'll do that.
I just... well, I just... okay.
You want to see everything.
They are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I can, now this one,
A little closer.
as I already showed you before, okay? You have to know when to stop, okay? Otherwise, your mountains, what kinds of mountains, who knows? Then you spray. Now you have to spray the whole thing,
Everything.
okay? Any question? You don't have any question.
Well,
Not until we start
towards
trying.
the ending. And it's like, where do I start?
Yeah.
What do I do? It's just gorgeous. Now, is this red acrylic?
Yes,
Yes, because otherwise the minute you spray
you
it
can
would be everywhere.
you can see whether they are acrylic or not.
Yes.
The acrylic paints
bumpy.
very stiff.
Well, it's more flat.
Yeah, yeah.
This is very light.
Oh, I haven't teach class like this for quite some time.
Isn't it fun? Aren't you
Yeah.
glad to be back?
Yes and no.
If he was up until 1 o'clock this morning,
Yeah,
the
once
answer
you
is
found-
no.
12:30 thanks.
Why did I tell him they could come?
I-
Blast these
I-
people.
I used to have, no, this is only 6. I used to have 15 o'clock.
Oh,
15 people.
that's too
There's a
many.
lot of people.
Yes, it is.
Very tired of it, but full of happiness. We laugh all the we tease, and we teach each other all the time. And there was,
My camp has 15 people, I understand.
and then it was really a very good atmosphere too. And before even the class over, they already said, "I'm looking for next week." I would love to. I can't wait.
And it's just right along the shoreline.
Yeah.
Very lightly. Okay.
Now, you see, the way I apply the shadow, actually, I'm very light. Okay. It's not,
Yeah. Very gentle.
He's the gentle bear.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
No, not too gentle. Just it needs some.
Just right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Shucks.
Getting you in trouble.
I'm blushing.
Sometimes.
Do they have trains that go from here to
By saying.
California?
Well, the train from Seattle goes straight down to California to Los Angeles. If you take the train from here to Seattle and then get on the Pacific Express.
You want to come back to California,
We're a fun
right?
group.
No, I don't want to go to San Francisco.
Oh,
No, we
no,
didn't
no,
say that.
no.
Well,
We're not in
just
San
to California.
Yeah, where we live is
How
nothing
about
like that.
Camp Joy?
Yeah.
Uh-huh,
Camp Joy, oh, in Cambria.
Camp Joy.